guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So, the next game on Hypixel is Parkour duels. So, let's get right into it. I always say that. I should stop saying that. It doesn't really make sense for me to say that. Like, obviously I'm getting into it. Why would I say let's just get right into it? But anywho, I'm really bad at I'm really bad at doing anything on PC. So, but I could probably if it was on Xbox, I could probably do it. But because it's on PC, I probably will not be able to do it. Oh wow. How are people already reaching checkpoints? Okay. What? So yeah, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I actually was recording before, but then I forgot to put down my mic, so you guys weren't able to hear me. So I know what everything does. I know that this is a boost, but yeah, I'm still not okay. Even though I've played it once before, I still am not good at it at all. What? Oh, I think I was in me. Go! How did I not even make that jump? No! How am I not making these jumps? How am I not making the jumps? Okay, I used my boost. There we go. Wait, no, it's this that I have to use my boost for. Come on. Or I could just boost myself. Yes! Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Okay. Come on, give me the momentum. Yes! And now it's checkpoint number 2. There we go. Checkpoint number 2 reached. Go, go, go. Oh. Wait, what? Hold on, where's checkpoint? Where am I going? I can't tell if I'm going backwards or not. Yeah, I'm going backwards. Okay, yeah, that's the next checkpoint. Okay. It's confusing. They should let you know when you start going backwards. There we go. No! Okay, my boost is ready again. That's good. Oh my gosh, I'm so used to me being on ice that I thought I was going to slide forward. Come on. There we go. And then the ladders. That was easy. No! That was not so easy. It should have been easy, but it wasn't. There we go. I have to jump on fence. Okay. Go. There we go. Go. What do I do? I'm so confused. What was I supposed to do there? This stupid Among Us guy keeps being like I'm inside of him. Go. There we go. Now I'm on the fence. I'm literally on the fence. I'm on the fence, and I should not have said that. I'm sorry. Go! Okay. I didn't know if you could actually make that or not. Apparently you could. Oh, that's checkpoint number 5. Oh, okay. What do you do? Oh, okay. So you need to make that. That should be easy. No, this guy's doing it wrong. I don't think you're supposed to use the slime. I think the slime's just there to trick you. Go. Go. Yes. I used my boost, and therefore I was able to make it. I'm pretty sure if I hadn't had used my boost, I would not have made it. What do you do now? Okay, I see. Yes. Okay. Go. What? I thought my boost... Let me die. I thought my boost was ready. Oh, I messed up. Yep. Oh my gosh. Oh, by the way, I just need to finish this in the time limit in order for the video to end. I don't need to be the first person to finish, or I don't need to. I was supposed to use the slime block. I don't need to be in top 3 when I finish. I just need to finish within the time limit, since this is gonna be difficult for me. I think, yeah. But can't I just use my boost? Yeah, I can. There we go. I love using my boost and just doing stuff like that. Why can't I do this? Why is it not letting me go on the ladder? Okay, there we go. 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 Yes. Easy. Oh, I actually made that? And I'm in 3rd place too? How am I in 3rd place? How is that possible? Oh, I'm no longer in 3rd place. No! Oh my god. Flouty. I keep seeing that and thinking it's Flowey. No! I keep saying no. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. I can't make it. I didn't even make that. And I just used my boost. No. I used my boost on accident. Flouty's in 17th place. I mean, not in 17th place. In 1st place. On checkpoint 18. Okay. No. No, please. Please! How do you make that? How do you make that? Oh my gosh. No! Is that Kermit the Frog? The Frog? Yeah, guys, it's totally Kermit the Frog. I almost said Kermit the Frog. You know what, guys? Kermit's new name is Kermit. And he's not a frog anymore. He's a flog. Kermit the Frog. Okay. I am still in 3rd place. I'm on checkpoint number 8. It says that Pig Sunder is on checkpoint number 1. But yeah, he's in 2nd place. What? No! Come on. Come on. Make it. This is... I used my boost! Hello, Kermit. This is more difficult than doing the ladders. This is way more difficult than doing the ladders. When you have to, like the ladder's on the pillar and like you have to do this but with ladders instead. This is so much more difficult. What? I didn't mean to unshift. I stopped holding shift on accident. Okay. Okay. Don't stop holding shift. Oh! I made it! I made it! No! How did Timid make it? How? Oh! I'm sorry, my dog did something. No! Hello, Timid. The game ends in 1 minute. I'm not gonna make it. I am definitely not gonna make it. No! I just need to speed one this. Whoa! I did that really fast. Maybe I should just start speed running from now on. Apparently speedrunning helps. Nope, it does not. It does not at all. Okay. What is Timid doing? Timid keeps jumping into the void. My Parkour boost is now ready. Guys, my Parkour boost is now ready. I love doing Parkour. It's like Parkour but with cars. Go. Go. No. Dang it. I could not win. That's okay. I will just need to do it again. That simple. Okay, guys, 5 seconds. Let's go. Speedrunning time. No! I fell right off the bat. How are people already reaching checkpoints? Why can I not make that jump? And why is that guy going backwards? And why does it have the feather if I can't boost? So many questions that must be answered. Donald Duck, do not get in my way, or I will kill you. Donald! What is Donald doing? Why can't I make that? It shouldn't be that difficult. Why can I not make it? I don't understand. Okay, I made it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Come on. Go! No! I boosted too far! I can't even make it to checkpoint number 1. Why is this happening to me? No! Come on. Oh, his name is literally Donald Duck. This guy's the actual Donald Duck. First there was Timid, now there's Donald. Ah! Go. Come on. I can make this. I did not make it. I should use my boost. I should definitely use my boost. Let's go. I made that jump. What? People have made it to checkpoint 11! Donald Duck made it to checkpoint number 1! Donald, how could you betray me? I thought we were friends. I thought we could make it to checkpoint number 1 together. How could you betray me like this? I made it! I made it somehow! Just because I touched this block, it counted me as making it. Okay. I did it. No! What? Okay. Donald, please stop getting in my way. Go. Look at Donald down there. So lowly level of him. No, please. How did someone already win? How is that possible? Come on. This is what I was talking about when I said the ladders. This thing that I keep dying at. Come on, Donald. I know you can do it. I believe in you, Donald. I never believed in Timid, but I do believe in you, Donald. No! Donald, would you like to be a part of the Vikings? You can be top leader, top command. All you need to do is subscribe to Viking King 18. It's that simple. Just subscribe to Viking King 18 and you will be a part of the Viking army. That's right, guys. You heard that right. You want to be a part of the Viking army? Subscribe to Viking King 18 right now. Subscribe to me. Dang it. This is what YouTubers be like. Guys, if I make this jump, you have to like and subscribe this video right now. Oh my gosh, guys! Oh my gosh! You need to like and subscribe! Like and subscribe right now! I made the jump! You guys said that you would like and subscribe if I made the jump, so you better like and subscribe right now. Bad YouTubers be like that. No! My boost is ready, like I'm gonna even be using it for this. No! I swear to God, I'm not even gonna be able to make it to... I'm not even gonna be able to make it to checkpoint number 3. I think that's what I'm trying... Checkpoint number 2? I'm trying to make it to checkpoint number 2? I can't even make it to checkpoint number 2. This is probably the hardest parkour thing. Like, level. Whatever you want to call it. No! Come on! Come on! Yes! Oh my gosh, everybody's crowded here. Okay. Come on. There's another one! And then another one after that! No. Come on. What do I do? What do you do after this? What do you do after this? What? You have to make it to there. No! My whole game glitched! And I didn't even jump! It just made me go to the void. How could this happen? I am crying right now, guys. If you want me to stop crying, you've got to subscribe to Viking King 18. That's right, guys. If you do not subscribe to Viking King 18, I will continue crying for the rest of my life. So please subscribe to Viking King 18. Come on. Donald, please move. He didn't move. How? Wait. How is Donald Duck in 3rd place? Donald, explain to me how you're in 3rd place. I am literally on the same checkpoint as you, and yet you're in 3rd place and I'm not. How does that work? How does that work? Donald. No! We both fell. I just got to do this faster than Donald, and then I can be in a higher ranking than Donald. Why did I use my boost? I didn't even press the button, and it was just like, boom, use the boost. 1 minute left. 1 minute. That's amazing. Can I even make it to checkpoint number 2? Will I even be able to make it to checkpoint number 2? You guys will see. I know you guys subscribed because that's why I stopped crying. But if I can't make it to checkpoint number 2, then you guys can unsubscribe. It is okay for you to unsubscribe if I cannot make it to checkpoint number 2. But if I have to make it to checkpoint number 2, then the people who didn't subscribe have to... If I make it to checkpoint number 2, is that what I said? If I make it to checkpoint number 2, then the people who didn't subscribe when I was crying, they have to subscribe. So it's pretty much like a win-lose. Like if I make it, I'm not gonna make it. You guys can all unsubscribe because I'm not gonna make it. I would literally have to start hacking in order for me to make it. Oh my god. How did someone complete it in 3 minutes? What are they, like a sweat? I didn't realize that I didn't have F11 activated. But what are they, a sweat or something? I think that's Donald, guys. I really hope that that's Donald. Alright, guys. Let's do this. I really hope that Donald's here with us. With us. Because, but what? What are these people doing? They closed the trapdoor on me. Thanks a lot, everybody. Let's see how you like it. Yeah, let's see how you like it. Why are these trapdoors? People can just mess everybody up. Anyway, I really hope Donald is here. Because oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It means that Donald will be with us. What do you do from here? What do you do from here? What do you do from here? Do you need to make it there? What? What do you do from there? I'm so confused. How do you do this? No! What's wrong with you? Idiots keep messing me up. That's what you all get. How do you do this? How? How? Oh wait, you need to boost! Why didn't I think of that? You obviously need to boost. Okay. I didn't make that. That's okay. That is A-okay. And my boost is still not ready. Okay. Oh, that's what you... Oh. That makes a bit more sense, actually. Okay. So you don't need to boost. I spent forever trying to figure that out. At least I made it. Okay. Go. Yeah, it actually doesn't make sense for you to have to boost there because it's slime, so... Alright, you need to use the slime here. There we go. And then you need to use the slime here. Except I failed. No! Okay. No! What is wrong with me? What is wrong with me? It's also pretty sad that Donald's not here, but what is wrong with me? Okay, I need to calm down. Why would I do that? Why would I not jump? I need to calm down and focus. There we go. There we go. Oh my gosh. Oh god. I actually need to. Okay. I need to get off. So, if I do not win here, then I'm just gonna have to make another video on it. That's what's gonna happen. I just need to make another video on it. you do that? What? What just happened? Did I use my boost on accident? Yeah, I did. That's what happened. Okay. The simplest jump I can't make because I'm sprint jumping. That's what's going on. And then I don't know why I can't make that jump. I landed on the slime. Why didn't it bounce me? Oh god. Okay. I need to finish this, or else I'm gonna make another. Or else I'm gonna have to make another video on it, and I really don't want to do that. So, I need to try to finish it as fast as possible. It's such an easy jump, and yet I can't make it. That's checkpoint number 2. I don't understand. When I had my mic up, I made it to checkpoint number, like, I think it was 8 or 9. Yeah, it was some like high checkpoint. And now look at me. I can't even make it to checkpoint number 2. I don't understand why it's not bouncing me. It's not bouncing me! That guy looked tiny for some reason. Okay, come on. Just need to do that. Okay. I need to go all the way back so I can get the momentum in order for me to make that jump. Okay, I'm not gonna make that. Okay, so I do need to sprint in order for me to make that. What? Don't sprint. Okay. And then you gotta keep on sprinting. And then you gotta go all the way back. Sprint jump. Then you gotta sprint jump here. Sprint jump here. Sprint jump here. Now I need to sprint jump, but I need to be careful not to hit the wall, because if I hit the wall, it's gonna stop me from sprinting. And I don't make it. Yes, okay. Then I need to sprint jump there, and then I make it to checkpoint number 2 finally! Okay. Hopefully the next checkpoint will be easy to make it to. Okay. Okay, that's annoying. How did I not make that? It was a 1-block jump. How did I not make that? I didn't even sprint jump. I just didn't make it at all. Oh, there's no way I can make this. I've pretty much got 1 minute left. There's no way I'm winning this. Okay. 1 minute. Dang it. Okay, I made that. Okay. Yes, I made that. No! No! Why? Why? 10 seconds left. Again, I would literally have to start hacking in order for me to win this. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment down below on what you want me to do next. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.